Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem delete node in linked list. Now this sounds quite standard, and if you're like me, you might see that, oh no, it's a linked list problem, we're going to have to take pointers, fix pointers, do some magic with that. However, in this case, the twist is that we're not given access to the first element, the head of the list. We have to delete a node, which is not the last node, and all the values are unique, and we have to ensure not that the list stays as it would be if we removed a given node, but instead if we read the values from beginning to end, then the values are as they should be if we removed our node. And in that case it means that this problem is not really a linked list problem, it's more of a tricky problem, because the only thing that we have to do in order to delete a node in such a linked list, which is not the last node, we have to look at the next node and take its value and its next pointer for ourselves. And this is the whole problem.